How to edit Google Form after submit. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit a Google Form after submission. Whether you've submitted the form yourself or want to allow others to make changes, we'll cover it all in this quick and easy guide. First things first, open your web browser and simply search for Google Form and simply tap on sign in so that you can sign into your account. Now tap on the top left corner of the screen. From there, simply go to the form that you want to make the changes for. Once you've opened the form, simply tap on three dots and simply click on open in new window so we can change the settings of it. Now go to settings tab and scroll down until you find an option that says responses and simply open the responses tab. On the responses tab, you can see various options as collect email address, send responses, a copy of the response, allow response editing. So we're going to be toggling on the allow response editing so that anyone can edit their response after submitting the form. Now simply tap on save and that's it. That's how you can simply allow edits after form submission.